Exercise 1.1, we are asked to evaluate the following by expanding the terms. So in this case, we are not to apply the laws of indices. We are to solve this by expanding the terms. That is to say that a raised to the power of 5 times a cubed will be equal to a times 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 a. So that this is equal to a raised to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A raised to the power of 8. 2 raised to the power of 5 times 2 raised to the power of 7. This is said to be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 to be multiplied by 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so that this is equal to a raised to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is equal to a raised to the power of 12. Question 3. 5 cubed times 5 to the power of 6. This is equal to 5 times 5 times 5 to be multiplied by 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, which is equal to 5 raised to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 to the power of 9. Number 4, m to the power 4 times m to the power 6. This can be said to be m times m times m times m to be multiplied by m times m times m times m times m times m. Okay, so that this is equal to m raised to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. M raised to the power of 10. When you're asked to evaluate by expanding the terms, this is exactly what you are required to do. Kindly like my video as you watch. While I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also interact with me using the comment section on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. You can also share the links with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. We shall now take exercise 1.2.